Come on, we sing together. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ruth. Grandma and Mama, to you. What you wanna? Hi.
Very much.
What you wanna tell in your birthday for us? Tell something.
Tell something.
Yeah.
What to say?
What's your advice
Yeah.
to all of us?
Yeah.
It is longer than I do. That's just a bit. Till 90
You going to 1 century.
What?
You on the way to 1 century.
Yes, I know.
10 more years. You can make it. You strong.
I don't think I can.
How about Linda? You happy? You have mother? Still have mother.
Yes.
Like me, I'm 9 years old. I don't have mother anymore. Yeah. Appendix.
Oh, really?
Rupture. Yeah. I'm 9 years old.
9. Yeah, when she was 9. How much?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't catch that.
Yeah. How about you, Tracy? How do you feel? You have still great grandma.
I'm so happy.
Happy,
I'm so
happy.
proud to tell everybody I have my grandma.
That's right. How about great granddaughter? What's your name?
Ellie?
What do you feel? You have great grandma. Very happy, huh? You still have grandma. I don't have grandma anymore, but I grow with my grandma after my mother passed away.
Oh, your grandma
Yeah.
raised you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But when my mother passed away, I'm not sad because I'm not grow with her. But when my grandma passed away, oh, I'm crying.
Yeah.
How about you? What's your name again?
Fabulous. Katie.
Wow, that's nice word. Fabulous.
Extrovert.
What do you feel? You have complete family now. Oh, include Bob, yeah? Bob is not
What do
here.
I feel for what?
The family around you.
Well, I think I'm very, very fortunate.
Ah, that's good.
He's with me. That's great.
Wow, wonderful.
I don't think I'll make it another
Another 100
100
years.
We don't know. Our age is not depend on us, but God's know, right? Maybe you will go. Who knows? Just keep walking like every day. But yesterday she doesn't want to walk.